Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Oh, yeah, that's right. And good evening, everybody. We're going to start off tonight over in the Red Lodge. Colleen Kilbane said, yep, we got some snow up there. Somebody probably told her, go shovel the roof, would you? And well, that's what happened. You see, just all slid down there, and bam. Cool looking shot, Colleen. Thanks for sending that in. Wow, that must have been impressive. I like this shot, too. This comes to us from Lynn Richardson. This is in Powell this morning. Had some light snow there. Almost looks like a Christmas card, doesn't it? Very pretty. Here's the way things are shaping up in Billings right now. Currently, we have 28 degrees. Still a little light snow in the area. Winds are out of the southwest at 12 miles per hour. Gives you a wind chill factor that feels like 18 degrees. Now, I reported high today, 32. The normal high is 38. The record 68 back in 1987. The record low is 25 below zero. That was back in 1936. Yeah, that was a cold year. Meanwhile, check this out. As you can see, we've had 0.03 of an inch of precipitation, mostly light snow this afternoon. We're starting to get a little bit right now. And here's where we sit for the month, 3,800. So we're actually ahead of normal for the month. And for the year, we're also ahead of normal today as well. We're at 0.60. The 30-year average from January 1st to today is only 5,900. So obviously, we're just a little bit ahead of that. Our current temps into the 20s and 30s out in the west. 20s across the High Line as well. 27 over Jordan. A little cool over at Glendive, 18 degrees there. Teens and 20s in northern Wyoming at this hour as well. Livingston at 33. But these are reported highs today. A lot of 30s and even a few 40s like over at Helena and also at Jordan today. Both got up to 41 degrees. As we move on today, we did have some places that had some pretty heavy snow in the last couple of days. South 15 inches, over 15 inches, almost 16. 14 at Prairie. Red Lodge had 13 inches. Belfry had 12. And you see Judith Gap, 10 inches of snow there. Meanwhile, tonight, the snow continues to follow the jet stream. The jet stream sliding this way. And these little batches, the leading pulses of moisture just kind of streaming right across the Billings area. They're not very wide, maybe about 10 miles wide, and they continue to sweep their way from west to east tonight. And the reason for that, you'll notice that's what's happening. There's your big upper level trough. The center of the trough is right over the Mississippi Valley. It's been sliding this way slowly for the last couple of days, and so now it's finally starting to push its way in towards the Billings area. At the surface, check it out. We're keeping an eye on this guy right there. That's your next cold front that pulls a warm front out across us tomorrow, so we're going to warm up pretty nicely. But then right directly behind that, here comes this cold front. It'll bring more snow into the Billings area, and that wraparound moisture wraps all the way up to the High Line. Then as the low drops a little bit farther to the south, that batch of snow pushes right into the Billings area about 10 o'clock on Saturday night. Looking at sunny skies on Sunday, and then so actually not too bad as we head into the second half of the weekend. But in the meantime, we're looking at maybe just some light snow for the Billings area. Other places will see maybe 6 to 10 over Lewistown, 4 to 6, and other places maybe 2 to 4 inches of snow all over the place. That's what we're looking at. Looks like everybody's at least going to get a little snow this weekend. Tonight, our temps cool back down to the teens and 20s across most of south central Montana. Partly cloudy skies, some light snowfall still in the Billings area this evening. Then for tomorrow, we get right back up into the 30s. 42 in Billings thanks to that warm front. Maybe some snow about 10 o'clock in the morning and again 10 o'clock tomorrow night. But in the meantime, tonight we cool down to 26 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow back up to 42 with an 80% chance for morning snow showers, rain mixing with snow in the afternoon. Sunny skies and dry on Sunday, 38 on Monday with a slight chance for some snow showers. You see Tuesday, 30% chance for snow. Same thing on Wednesday. Temperatures still up at about the 30s and 40s, but it really isn't until about Thursday or Friday of next week we start cooling back down to the upper 30s again. Let's go back to the desk.